What is going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be giving a tip on how you can use split screening on the Galaxy A32, and I'm also going to play some GTA Vice City. Now, the nice thing about Samsung phones is they make split screening so easy. You know, there's nothing you have to download, no settings you have to change. You just have to have some open tabs. Now, once you do have some open tabs, you want to click on one of them. You're going to want to click on the icon at the top, hold down on it, and then you're going to see a split screen view option is the second option. Now, once you do that, you can start adding different tabs. Like you can see right here, I added YouTube as a tab, and then you can, adjust the split screen if you want to make it bigger or larger. It's just really cool. Now, it also works in both landscape and portrait. So if you wanted to go into landscape, you could also do split screening. And honestly, this is just a cool feature because, if you're somebody who likes to multitask and do two things at once, it is useful. You know what I mean? So I do recommend using it, and it's basically the same on any Samsung phone out there. Okay, now that we got that out of the way, I want to, do a little gameplay here with the Galaxy A32. Obviously, I just got this phone. We're going to check out some GTA Vice City, obviously one of my favorite GTA games of all time. I'm going to start a new game for everybody here, and we're going to cruise around and kind of do our thing.
I poked my head out of the gutter for one freaking second and fate shoveled shit in my face. Go get some sleep. What are you gonna do? I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out. ¿Qué te pasa, pana? ¿Te gustan los viejos? Programming with a message from the State Department. All bridges and some roads in the Vice City metropolitan area have been closed because of a severe weather warning. Meteorologists are tracking Hurricane Hermione, which has devastated 5 Caribbean islands and is heading for Vice City. More updates soon.
Like crazy park right now. Get out of my way, Johnny Pepper!